Welcome to a new beginning, where each day starts with intention and purpose. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to embrace the day. A healthy morning routine can be your gateway to enhanced well-being and productivity. Let's dive into the essential habits that will transform your mornings. It all begins with prioritizing quality sleep. A good night's rest sets the foundation for your day. As you open your eyes to a new day, reach for a glass of water. Hydration is key to kickstarting your metabolism and rehydrating your body after a night's rest. Next, engage in mindful movement. Whether it's light stretching, a brisk walk, or a few yoga poses, moving your body can boost your energy levels. Nourishment is another cornerstone of a great morning. Fuel your body with a balanced breakfast rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Take a moment for mindfulness and meditation. Even a few minutes of deep breathing or meditation can reduce stress and clear your mind. In today's digital age, limiting screen time can be a game changer. Resist the urge to check your phone immediately upon waking. Step outside and bask in the sunlight. Natural light not only regulates your circadian rhythm, but also elevates your mood. Planning and prioritization are your allies. Spend a few moments organizing your day, setting goals, and prioritizing tasks. Finally, embrace positive affirmations or practice gratitude. Why are these habits so transformative? They contribute to both physical and mental health, increasing energy, reducing stress, and sharpening focus. Establishing a consistent morning routine not only promotes well-being, but also sets a positive tone for the entire day. By weaving these habits into your morning routine,